All capacitors used in the diagram are identical and each is of is capacitance C. The effective capacitance between the points A and B is. Now in this question, just first of all read out the diagram to make concept bit clear. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 parallel plate capacitors. Now they have wired like this. Okay, they have wired it like this, and then it is wired like this, and then this is wired like this, and finally there is another wire. This is point B. So suppose if this point is B, then obviously this point will also have the potential equal to B. Suppose this junction point is C, then this will also become C and this will be C. If this is A, this will be A. Each are having capacitance C, 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 C and C. So now what do I mean with these points? So this point A will have the same potential. So now if this point C is here, so you can clearly see these two capacitors. Which capacitor? Capacitor number 1 and capacitor number 2, VA and VC. They are actually having the same potential drop, and so as this capacitor, right? So that means if you want to draw the equivalent circuit diagram for these points, so we have point A and C, and between there are 3 capacitors between A and C, as you can see the diagram, right? A and C. So one capacitor, second capacitor and third capacitor, and similarly this point is C and this point is B, final point, right? So now you can see B and C one capacitor, B and C another capacitor, and B and C another capacitor. That means 3 similar kind of capacitors are there between B and C. So we can make like this. So now we know that equivalent of these 3 is going to be 3C. So a capacitor with equivalent resistance of 3C, and same this will also have capacitance 3C. So now because these all are having C, C and C capacitance, and then we can finally calculate the capacitance between CAB. So CAB will be 3C and 3C divided by 3C plus 3C. So which will be nothing else 3C into 3C upon 6C, 2. So 1.5C. So CAB will be equal to 1.5C. So which is going to be the right choice? So option number A has to be the right choice.